Well, Brazil has faced some, well, let's say challenges recently, huge wage increases, some political irritations. But I think in general, this country has such huge potential factors, natural resources, oil resources. It's a huge exporter in agricultural products. So it means in the long term, there's huge potential for further solid growth. And to say it in other words, I don't think it's possible to, well, destroy that growth opportunities by mismanagement. Well, Brazil is the fifth largest economy worldwide, and there are some very strong sectors, some very strong industrial sectors, mining, agricultural sector. But on the other hand, there's also some pretty much globalized sectors like automotive industry, like the mobile machinery industry. And so for everybody who wants to, well, equip that business, wants to sell machines or their equipment into that business, they should be present, they have to be present there in order to serve the global customers, although in that important country. Another aspect, last but not least, is that Brazil has become a kind of hub for the industrial development of the entire South American continent. Well, of course, first of all, some framework conditions have to be improved. That's more a contribution that has to come from politics, means labor conditions, means tax system, means some other barriers that have reduced competitiveness of the Brazilian industry. From the industry side, I think key for the Brazilian industry is to increase productivity, to regain competitiveness and well, absorb or compensate some of the increases they have, some of the other financial obstacles. And I think there is a lot of potential to increase productivity. Secondly, Brazilian industry should actively drive innovation with a strong focus on those industry sectors where Brazil is strong. So that's agricultural, that's mining and oil, and that's also the food and beverage sector with an ongoing growth and demand from the local customer base.